Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an agriculture studies class for the students of class 6. Let's see our today's topic. Our today's topic is chapter 1, MCQ 11 to 20. I am telling it is chapter 1, MCQ 11 to 20. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 3 and homework number 3 on our half yearly exam. Dear students, in our live class, we learned chapter 1, MCQ 1 to 10. And this is the next class, that means today we shall learn MCQ 11 to 20. In this connections, I request all of my students of class 6 to look at board. Look at number 11 at first. Which research institute does research on jute? Look, there are 4 options. A. Bangladesh Livestock Research Institute, no. Bangladesh Sugarcane Research Institute, no. C number Bangladesh Agronomy Institute, no. And D number Bangladesh Jute Research Institute. Dear learners, the emphasize point is on jute. That means D number option is the appropriate. Bangladesh Jute Research Institute. Now 12th number. What can ensure our economic development? I am telling again, what can ensure our economic development? Look, 1. Development in agriculture. 2. Developing the conditions of the farmer. 3. Developing the communication system. So look, which one of the following is correct? A. 1 and 2, B. 1 and 3, C. 2 and 3, D number is 1, 2, 3. So look here, what can ensure our economic development? Developing in agriculture, yes. Developing the conditions of the farmer, yes. That means option number A, 1 and 2 is the appropriate answer. Not developing the communication system, we don't need it here. Now 13 number MCQ, crop production is the main subject of dash. Option, agricultural activities. 2. Economic activities. 3. Industrial activities. Look, which of the following is correct? A. 1 and 2, B. 2 and 3, C. 1 and D number 1, 2, 3. I am telling the question again so that you can easily understand the answer. Crop productions, keep it in your mind, is the main subject of agricultural activities, yes. Economic activities, no. Industrial activities, no. That means crop production is the main subject of agricultural activities. Option number 1 is the, here C number is the appropriate answer. C represents 1. Number 14, pulse crops supply. Option A, starch, no, it is not related to pulse crop. Protein, yes, we can consider this one. C, iron, no. D, calcium. So look at the option number B, pulse crops supply protein or pulse provide with protein. Number 15, which fruits supply us with vitamins and minerals? Keep it in your mind, it is vitamins and minerals. 1 number cereals, cereal is related to protein most of the time. And 2 number it is fruits and C number it is vegetables. Which of the following is correct? A, 1 and 2, no. B number 2 and 3, keep it in your mind, it is fruits and vegetables. Vitamins and minerals are found in fruits and vegetables. That means option number B is the appropriate answer, 2 and 3. Now look, there is a little stem. Read the following stem carefully and answer questions number 16 and 17. Mr. Mohit is doing a yard meeting with the farmer. The farmers are consulting their problems with Mr. Mohit. Now dear learners, in this connections we need to go to next page to have question number 16 and 17. So look here, it is what is Mr. Mohit? A farmer, no. B, a researcher, no. A chairman, no. A grassroots level official employee. That means option number D is the appropriate answer, a grassroots level official employee. Official employee. Number 17, what are the purposes of yard meeting? Look, 1. Solving agricultural related issues, yes we can think. Giving advice to the farmers, yes we can think also. C number, making the farmers conscious about new ways and methods of agriculture. So which of the following is correct? A 1 and 2 no, B number 2 and 3 no, C number 1 and 3 no, D number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, D number 1, 2 and 3. That means what are the purposes of yard meeting? Solving agriculture related issues, yes. Giving advices to the farmers, yes. And making the farmers conscious about new ways and method of agriculture. Option number D, that means 1, 2 and 3 is the appropriate answer. Now look, another little stem. Read the following stem carefully and answer questions number 18 and 19. Karim has visited a botanical fair recently. From the fair, he has bought some seedlings to plant them in the surrounding of his house. He is very much aware about the necessity of plants for our environment. 18 number questions. How much forest area should a country have for maintaining the ecological balance? Yes, from our book we have understood that means we need 25% forest area to maintain our ecological balance. It is 25%. Okay. Next, 19 number. What is the initiative taken by Karim called? 1. Tree plantation, yes. Deforestation, no. This is the opposite word of tree plantation. And afforestation, yes. That means tree plantation and afforestations both are in a sense or in the greater sense it is synonymous words. What is the initiative taken by the Karim cult? It is 1 and 3. Which of the following is correct? 1 and 2 no, 1 and 3 yes. Appropriate answer is 1 and 3. That means tree plantation and afforestation, not deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down trees. Last MCQ. How many kinds of afforestations are there? From our book chapter number 1 we have learned that there are 3 kinds of afforestations are there. A 2 no, B 5 no, C 6 no, D 3 yes. This is the suitable answer. Dear learners, today we have learned 11 to 20 MCQs. Now your last session, this one is your homework. It is homework number 3 and our lecture number is also 3. It is chapter 1 MCQ 11 to 15. Only 5 will be your homework MCQs, okay? 11 to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5, not all. It is 11 to 15. Dear learners, I hope all of you have understood this important class regarding our MCQs number 11 to 20. Dear students, one important thing, those who missed our previous live class, please look at our Facebook close group. I have given you MCQ number 1 to 10 and this is our next class. So please try to maintain a sequence for your better understanding. I am telling this and do your homework properly. Finally, see you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.